Hi guys, welcome to How to For YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a logo on canva.com. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to search in Google canva.com. Open that first website and then you need to click search bar and then you need to search your logo and you can find different logo designs here. So I'm going to select this one. You can change everything in the logo, like the background. I'm going to change the background to this one. You can change font style, or you can add different elements in your logo, like I'm going to add stars and I'm going to move this to the up, and you can find different logo designs here, and you can see that these are all pro. So if you want to switch to the Canva Pro, you need to click on try Canva Pro, or you can get free trial if you want. And let me show you the pricing of canva.com. So it will cost you $12.99 per month if you switch to canva.com pro version, in which you find different elements, different designs. I will give you the link in description to join Canva, so you will get canva.pro subscription. So by following these steps, you can easily create logo in canva.com. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.